Hello, my name is Victor Pagan-Cruz, and I'm a part of Group 1. I was tasked to create project number 11 in the Udemy course. I had to do the digital clock, as you can see here up in my form. For this form, I just created something to look similar to a digital clock. I inserted a label and I set the text values to zeros to resemble the clock. The fore color is white, and then for the background of the form, it was set to black. And for the code, I have up here, I created a new timer object to be able to make the clock. I set the interval to 1,000, which is equal to 1 second for the clock. And in order for the code to work, I had to create an event handler right here called ttick, and then the start function also allows this to basically start. For the event handler, I had intervals that are hours, minutes, and seconds set to the datetime function that retrieves the current time for the local computer. So like right now it is 6:15, and when I run the code it might be 6:16, and it should resemble the exact same time. I created a string that is time that is set to nothing. For this if statement, if hours is less than 10, then time plus or equals 0 plus the hours. And then if not, it'll do time plus or equals the hours. And then it's the same. And then I set this in here in the middle for the time. And then it's the same for minutes, and it's the same for seconds. And in order for us to be able to see the actual code working, I had to set the label text equal to the time. So let's see. As you can see, it is set to 6:16 with 20 seconds, and it's in military time, but it is the same exact time. So thank you.